Shalom, this is Rabbi Haim. I want to share with you one of my favorite recipes. Recipe that actually is really good now for Hanukkah that we are celebrating soon because it uses olive oil, and you know that one of the traditions for this time of the year is to cook things with oil, especially olive oil, since it was the menorah in the temple was light with olive oil. And this is a recipe I created when I was living in London, and I remembered that British people, they put coleslaw salad everywhere as a side dish. I really like it, but it was a moment when I was thinking there should be a healthier way to do this instead of using that kind of mayonnaise or sauce that they use for coleslaw. I think Haim, there should be a different way. It should be a Sephardic, Spanish way to do this recipe. So I adopted the British recipe, and instead of using that white sauce that they use, I don't know exactly what it's made from, I do it with garlic, sweet smoked paprika, olive oil, maybe a bit of lemon juice or wine vinegar. It's very, very easy. So here I shred the coleslaw and the carrots. I wash it, and here I have a bit of garlic. And now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to fry the garlic. We're gonna fry garlic using the best olive oil in the world, which is the olive oil from Andalusia, from Spain. So this is here. I always do like a lot because I like keeping in the fridge, so then I can use it later. So how much olive oil? I don't know. Remember that this is going to be the sauce. So you know, you think about how much olive oil you will add to that quantity of salad, and you do the same thing. You use I think that's fine. And in this oil we're gonna fry this chopped garlic, and we will add, once the garlic is fried, we're going to add, this is pimentón de la vera. For me, it's the best smoked paprika in the world. It's from the region of Extremadura, and it has the taste a bit of Spanish chorizo. So it's great if you keep kosher, if you're a vegetarian, because a way to eat something with the flavor of, you know, Spanish chorizo, but you know, in a kosher way, healthy way, and also vegan. So we're gonna fry that garlic. Let's take a spoon. This is my wooden spoon from Morocco. Okay, let's add now the garlic. So we fry the garlic a bit. When it gets a bit like, you know, toasted, the color, you just stop it, the fire, and you add 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. It's very easy. Then at the end, you can also add to the salad lemon juice or vinegar. I love vinegar. I use this vinegar made with wine vinegar from Cordoba, from Montilla Moriles, which is similar to like Jerez vinegar. It's a really good one. You know, it's something very simple. It is cheap. It's an easy recipe, but it's a great salad that you can eat, you know, maybe with grilled chicken or grilled fish. And it's great now for Hanukkah, the time for olive oil. So what I did fry a bit the garlic, and I did add to the pan, I did add 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Now, so this kind of like sauce. Now I'm going to add to the coleslaw salad. Got it? Okay. We're gonna add salt, according to your taste, and obviously the quantity of coleslaw that you're doing. Now, vinegar from Montilla Moriles. I like a lot vinegar. I like strong flavors. And now what we have to do, we have to mix. Okay, we mix till it gets a bit all the oil with the paprika, the coleslaw, and the carrots will get, you know, with this kind of red color from the paprika. We mix well. It's always good to leave it, you know, to stay for maybe an hour, 2 hours before having it. It gets more the flavor of the paprika and the garlic. And it's getting this color, this orange color from the carrots, the oil, the paprika. Smells delicious because the mix of paprika, like fried with garlic and the olive oil, that smell is just wonderful. And then I like for salads in general, I like adding like nuts or seeds, because this time of the year I think that goes very well pumpkin seeds. So I'm gonna add pumpkin seeds, a bit more. And you see, this is a very healthy Spanish Sephardic way of eating coleslaw, and great for this time of Hanukkah. Another recipe that you can make with extra olive virgin oil from Andalusia, from Sepharad. Wishing you Hanukkah Sameach, lovely time with friends, with family, with the community. Shalom, shalom, and Chag Sameach from Sepharad. Blessings, and see you soon.